Game 1 of the season, May 8th, 2021. Earthquakes are in orange, gamers are in green.
I have one. Yeah, I have one.
Push it up, push it up. Nice, Mac. Go to the goal, Colton, go to the goal. Yeah, the right one plays like in the middle, but he also plays
Good job, Max. Way to hustle. Eli, who's taking the kick? Jonathan. Over here. Give someone to kick to. Max, look at Jonathan.
This way more. Philip, you're on the side. Go to the
Zach,
side.
move over right here, Zach.
There you go. Get it, buddy. Go, go, go. Hit it.
In the center, guys. In the center.
Push up, Diego. Haven, push up, push up. Come on, Diego. Get involved. Diego, get the ball. Come on.
Not in the middle. Not in the middle. Up, up. Earthquakes, up.
Good pass.
Wow. Nice kick.
Walk it up, Eli. Walk it up.
You should see what he drove to practice today.
Defense, up. Max, everybody up. Come on, guys, up! Halfbacks, up, 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 up!
Philip, shift to the left more. This is your side.
Here's the starter. Everybody listen up.
There you go. Stay on that side. This is your side.
Colton, forward.
Oh.
Forward. This way.
All right, back it up, Earthquakes, back it up!
Start kick.
Look at the
Halfbacks,
ball.
back it up.
Look at the ball.
Yeah.
Nice.
Hanging out of the middle. Remember, put the lines.
Hold it. Stay up in the middle. Stay up. By the orange players. The orange defense. Up the line. Up the line. Up the line. Up. There you go. This way. In more. In more.
Good ball side. Go get it. Go get it.
Your number 10 might want to tie his shoelaces. Him. Oh, geez, 2 men down.
Go, 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 go! Come on, guys, go!
Zach, give him a target. Zach, give him a target.
Up the wing, up the wing.
Good job. Go, Zach, go, Zach.
Colton,
go up there.
Oh, careful.
You're by the rest defender. Good, dribble, dribble. Yeah, right there, Colton. That's good.
Stay up high. Good.
Nice job, Ashton.
Get rid of it.
Over there.
Good, Sam. Up the field.
Drop back. You're offside. Come on. Pass this way.
Come on, guys, get it!
Kick it back up. There you go. Turn it around. Turn it around. Don't kick it to the other team. Oh.
Come on, Diego. Take it to the goal. Take it to the goal.
Good job. Good D. Good D.
Golden, go to the middle and just be patient. Up higher. Golden, up there. By the goal. By the guy. There you go.
There, that's a good spot right there.
Hey, Coach, your players don't have to wear this when they're playing. You just have to keep it on them.
You guys can pull them down like this if you want.
Pull them down, guys.
Okay?
You get to breathe a little easier. Back, just stay back, just stay back. Stay back.
You're on the wrong side.
Back in the middle.
Open up for it. Move to the ball.
Earthquakes up, earthquakes up.
There you go.
Turn it around. Turn it around. Okay. Up.
Go, Jonathan, upfield on the right. Yeah, Kyle.
Oh, there you go.
Go, dribble up to the right. Then cross it.
Oh.
Good job, Hayden. Go up for it.
Good, Sam. Oh,
Good.
nice.
Stop.
It's in the middle. Nice.
Good job. Turn, Hayden. You got time. You got time.
Offsides.
Your whistle. Get more offsides.
Good job, dude.
Back, take the kick.
Up. Gavin! Hold the ball. Hold the ball. Gavin! Philip! Gavin, Philip, come. This side, this side. Gavin, Philip, come on. Let's go. All the way over. All the way over. You guys, take a break. Take a break. Get some water.
Ball in your offsides. Get in front of the orange team.
Dalton, step up. Come on, step up. You have to have an orange guy behind you.
Goal kicks, free kicks to the corner, not in the middle.
There you go. Good. Right there, buddy.
That's a good kick.
Jonathan, Zach, give him a target down the line. George, come.
Samuel, go take your throw in. Hold on, they're subbing, they're subbing. Samuel, take the throw in.
So Colton,
Jonathan, let him have
you
it.
can't be behind the orange player. You're going to be outside. Come to the yellow line first. Stop.
Yeah. Zach, give him the ball, wait. Jonathan.
Too late.
Nice, Mac.
Kick it out.
Whoa.
Trap that ball, guys, trap it.
Ooh.
Again, Mac. Good job, buddy, good job. Orange throw. Deep. Earthquakes, back it up a little bit. Orange.
Here, Diego, you take it. Diego.
Sam, throw it.
You're a farmer.
Turn around.
Player over there.
Up higher. And on Diego. Guard him. Up. Diego. I can't do anything.
One.
Take it. I'll take it.
Jonathan, guys, up. No. You got it.
Malachi, you're left.
Malachi, don't come over. Go in the middle, buddy. Get in the middle.
Oh.
Do it again. Quickly, up the line. Go.
There we go.
There we go.
Corner.
Zach, John's up. There you go, yeah. See what happened?
Help the defense, Haven. Bobby, your defense, get over there.
That way, Colton, if your team gets it, there's somebody to kick it up to, okay? Someone guard him! Guard him! Don't go through the field. Don't go through the field.
Go, Kyle! Go, Kyle!
All right, get open, Cole. Get open. That's the best shit.
Nice toss.
Good job, Mac. Get up. There you
Mac, well
go.
done, buddy. Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. Take it, David.
Good job, Mac.
Go, 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 go. Oh, stay with it. Stay with it.
There you go.
Nice. Jake, up. Come on,
Good job, Eli.
Nice, Eli.
Oops.
What's up, Rob? Jonathan, Malachi, Malachi!
Hey, Jake, go throw that ball in. Way over there. You're on the left side. Go. That's your side, buddy. Get up there. Jog,
Where?
Jake, jog. Good job, guys. Drink some water. Have a seat. It's a hot day. We need to sell the lunch. Okay, great job, buddy. Get some water. Guys, if you get some water and come sit down over here, watch the game. Get your rest when you can.
Sub, please, sub!
Luke and Sam, guys, I want you ahead of Mac. Mac, I want you behind them. Behind them. There you go. Mac, you should see everything in front of you.
Good one, Jake. Come on, Jake. Not to the center, Jake. There you go. Mac's got a kick.
Jake, throw it in.
Go, move the line up. Jacob!
Jake, up.
Up, you're halfback, halfback.
Jacob, go towards the middle. That middle, that space right over there, buddy. Yep. Outside, outside. Play, play, play.
Santi, this side, this side. Up, guys. Come on, gamers.
Oh, Jake, a little harder.
Oh my God.
Oh, no.
Defense is extremely good.
You need a rest now? You need a rest, Diego?
Go, line up,
You need a rest? Come on out, some please. Come on out. Philip, you're in.
Can I go up?
It's not halftime. It's a game.
You just got made a goal. That's it. It's not halftime yet.
Line up. Come on,
Good job, dude. It's
now halftime.
Oh, it's halftime?
Kick off. You gotta
Hey, guys, it is not halftime. Guys, it is not halftime.
They lost track of time.
I know the 10 cents already.
Sorry. Go Earthquakes, your kickoff.
30 minutes, right?
Yeah, it's only 15 minutes.
Yeah. Not that long,
Well,
yeah.
there's some after some. Jake, your halfback, move up. Jake, up.
Keep working, Philip! There you go! Keep going! Keep working for the
Go,
ball!
go,
Work
go.
it out. Right.
That block.
All right, I want a shot. Just any shot.
Yeah, no kidding.
Just shoot.
There you go, Philip! You got
I mean, they're in the general vicinity, so
Well, that's,
shoot the ball.
they're not goal hungry.
Yeah.
Go, 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 go!
Good job, Santi. Get wider.
Ooh.
Orange ball, orange ball.
Samuel, throw it.
Orange throw, orange throw.
Stay right there, wait for the ball, but don't
Feet
fall
on
in.
it. Keep feet flat.
Hey, we do.
Use your whistle.
You can't do this.
Keep your feet on the ground.
From behind your head, throw it forward straight. There you go.
There you go.
Okay, they only have 9.
Oh, there was a shot on the goal.
Not quite.
Oh. Oh.
Holden, stay there, don't get offside. Go!
Stop it, Max.
Outside!
Kick it outside, Mac. There you go.
Why are you stopping? There you go, buddy.
There you go. There you go. Stop it. There you go. Good job.
Samuel, great job, bud. Great job.
No, kick it out.
He's playing with you because you only have 9. Green ball, green ball. Green ball.
Holden, if you lose the ball, don't quit. You gotta keep fighting, okay? You're doing good.
Is that it?
Mac in the middle. You got 3 guys, Mac.
It's a green throw in.
You got a bunch of people over here. Let the halfback do the thing.
Stop it, Clark. Go forward.
Draw them back.
What kind of throw was that?
You count the ways. Mac, get behind those guys. Mac, get behind those guys.
Yeah, then it's still a little. Go, shoot on the goal. Oh.
Big guy got some wheels.
Yeah, no kidding. Number 1's fast.
Jake, go up. Jake, go up.
Oh, nice block.
Holden, we're on the side. Come away from him. You're too close to the other green player. Alright, get forward, go, go!
Ah, good kick.
Good job,
All right, good job.
What's up, Rep? Ashton, Mac. Ashton, stay, Zach.
Go, Mac, go.
Kevin.
Stay up, you're not off.
Samuel, go play in the middle. right? We want you in the middle back. Middle.
Stay wide and then.
Play this side. Salty, go to the center. Center forward. Center forward. Kyle, right forward. Kyle, right forward.
Whoa. Oh, and
Sam, take the free kick. Jake.
number 5, you touch the ball with your arm.
Earthquakes, everybody up. Samuel, take the kick. Everybody else up. Defense, stay up. Where's the goal?
Get it out of there, guys. Get it out of there. There you go. Get it, kick it out of there.
Bolton, push up, push up, push up. Way up, way up, way up, Bolton. It's a throw, push up. Control it and send it. Control it.
There you go. Who's there? Go, go, go.
Again, Colton, again. Let's go. Attack the ball. That's it.
Yeah.
Go, Malachi.
Come on. Go up there, Wilson.
Colton, get in the game, come on.
Handball.
Drop, boys, green, drop. You ready for the ball?
Earthquakes, up. Offense, everybody up. Jonathan, take the kick. Hey, coach.
You coach, this guy's breathing heavy a bit.
So.
Okay, bro? Half-time.
Should be a 30-minute half, Rob.
We thought it was 25. My bad.
No, 30 minutes.
We're at 20. We're at 25.
Okay.
Go back out there.
You know, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, Coach.
It's half. Just make it half.
Yeah, play it. We're here to play. Guys, back on the field. 5 minutes from the turn.
Get ready. It's just a drop ball. Come on, get out there.
Guys, put the big water. Get back out there.
Can you get your players in, please?
I'm sorry?
Can you get your players in, please?
Yeah, I'm working on it. Come on, guys. Everybody on the field. Everybody out there. Go, go, go. Quick stop.
Go ahead. Snuggy nice.
There's 5 minutes till half, guys. Let's get a goal. Come on.
Yeah, we're good, Ref.
Philip, to the side, Philip.
Philip, come to the left.
Press the ball, press the ball.
Well, the other one hit his arm, so it cancels each other out. That one is fast, man. Good stop.
Good job, Jonathan.
There you go. David, you got it. You got it, David. You got it. You got it. You got it. Hit.
Get in front of him. Get it out of there.
Get it, Philip. Toss it back in. Shoot. Shoot.
There you go.
Earthquakes up. Walk it up. Walk it up.
I would go with yes.
Yeah.
Pressure ball. Good job, Adrian.
Green ball. Who's going to throw it in?
Michael. Come on, Abby. Up the line, Abby.
Open up. Down the line. Let him know you're open. Down the line. There you go, Diego. Who's open for him?
Corner kick.
Go in the middle. Drop back, Haven. Be ready for it.
Oh, my. Guys, up to the line. Up to the line.
Philip, go up. Go in. Go to the goal. Go to the goal. In the middle. There you go. Keep moving, Philip. I like that. Go, Haven. Go, Haven. Okay. There you go.
Good job.
Corner kick. Come on, Haven.
Quickly, Haven, quickly.
Haven, let's go. 2 minutes left.
Johnson, in front of the goal, right in front of the goal. Corner kick.
Open up for him. Who's moving around?
Defense, back it up.
Stop. You can go towards the goal more, Ben.
Let's go. Push up, Rohan.
Corner.
Defense, clear down this way, up the line.
Got it, Haven. Cross it to the middle. Diego.
Samuel, go back in the middle.
Man on, man on.
Get it out of there. Come on. Oh, good job. Oh, wow. Gamers 2, Earthquakes 0. Good shot.
Almost halftime, guys. Almost half.
Come on, Earthquakes, our kickoff. Go!
Go green!
Halftime. At the end of the first half, the Gamers have 2 goals, the Earthquakes have no goals.